Under today's campaign, Uganda is home. MTN will support the restoration of 220 hectares in 5 central forest reserves, which includes Chewaga here in Entebbe. There is one called Ogera in Serere district, Enjeva in Arua district, Kagombe in Kibale district, and Jubia. Jubia is in Masaka city. The decision by MTN to invest in forest restoration through a tree planting campaign is indicative of the value MTN Uganda attaches to our environment.
Under the banner of our Uganda is Home campaign, we seek to deepen our roots in Uganda and reaffirm our commitment to corporate citizenships in Uganda, our home. As we thank the communities of Uganda for welcoming us, supporting our business and partnering with us. Without you, our dear customers, we would not be here today. We want to thank the government of Uganda for sustaining an enabling environment from when we started 2 decades ago to deliver a modern connected world to now, when we are further deepening our roots in our country through a campaign that will culminate into MTN Uganda getting listed on the Uganda Securities Exchange. Mwebale nnyo, 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 nnyo. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We want to thank the government of Uganda for sustaining an enabling environment from when we started 2 decades ago to deliver a modern connected world to now, when we are further deepening our roots in our country through a campaign that will culminate into MTN Uganda getting listed on the Uganda Securities Exchange. MTN looks forward to many years of connecting more, building more, investing more, supporting more hustles, and opening more doors, because Uganda is our home.
Cheers. Cheers. Great partnership.
which includes Chewaga here in Entebbe. There is one called Ogera in Serere district, and Jeva in Arua district, Kagombe in Kibale district, and Jubia. Jubia is in Masaka city.
Sustainability is at the very core of MTN because we believe that our success as a business depends on the success of the communities in which we operate. Hence our firm belief that we need to integrate environmental sustainability in the core of everything we do. We grew from 0.5% mobile penetration to 60%. And today, very happy to announce that for the last, 2 weeks, we have celebrated our 15th million active subscriber on our network. Over the years together, through our MTN mobile money solutions, we have brought many Ugandans into the formal financial system, entrenching financial inclusion and making it accessible to 80% of the population for whom it was previously beyond reach. To make our vision a reality, MTN today provides quality jobs to more than 1,500 Ugandans, while more than 200,000 are employed indirectly within our economic support ecosystem. Our business philosophy is hinged not just on the pursuit of commercial success alone, but also on the development of the communities which have supported our growth over the years. Sustainability is at the very core of MTN because we believe that our success as a business depends on the success of the communities in which we operate. Hence our firm belief that we need to integrate environmental sustainability in the core of everything we do. Today we are here at the Forest Reserve to launch a unique project symbolic of our operations in Uganda for the past 2 decades, and it shows our intentions for the decades to come. Under the banner of our Uganda is Home campaign, we seek to deepen our roots in Uganda and reaffirm our commitment to corporate citizenships in Uganda, our home. As a start, we shall restore 20 hectares of forest here before taking the reforestation initiative to 4 other reserves in Arua, Masaka, Kibale, and Serere. Those 4 districts we're going to visit in the next 4 weeks. Each of those forest reserves will have an other national priority areas. We want to thank the government
As NFA, we would like to encourage other stakeholders to emulate this goodwill. NFA welcomes this effort and is fully committed to the partnership, and we have committed to provide 1 million seedlings of assorted indigenous species towards this endeavor over the next 6 months. As NFA, it is our belief that it is only through such collective efforts that will restore the degraded landscape and conserve our forest. I wish to thank you, and most sincerely all of you, for turning up to this function and for turning up to the launch of this campaign. Uganda is home, and indeed Uganda is our home. That is why many years ago, that was around 1904-5, one wanderer, as somebody called, passed by and said Uganda is the Pearl of Africa. So let us restore the dignity of the Pearl of Africa. I thank you so much for God and my country.
Thank you very much.
For information of people who love statistics, Uganda's forest cover decreased from 53% in 1900, that is 1900. At that time, 53% of Uganda's land area was under forest. And by 1990, this had decreased to 24%. And in 2017, the 24% had reduced to 12.4%. This therefore means that between 19 1990 and 2017, which is 27 years, we lost, as a country, we lost 2.4 million hectares of forest. 2.4 million hectares. Slightly less than a half of what we had in 1990. The forest cover fell from 4.9 million hectares to 2.5 million hectares. And at this rate, we project that if nothing is done, we risk losing all the forest cover in the country by year 2040. As you are aware, forests play a very great role in improving the livelihoods of the communities and also enabling them to access the forest goods and services required for the day-to-day livelihoods. The latest statistics show that 88% of the people in Uganda still rely on fuel wood, that is charcoal and firewood, for their day-to-day household energy needs. 88%. That is the latest statistics. And